Hello. Welcome to my cafe. What can I get you?
Hello, yes. I would like a few items actually.
Okay. What will it be?
To start, I would like one coffee. One coffee.
What else?
2 chocolate chip cookies. 2 cookies.
Oh.
3 cups of milk.
Okay, 3 cups of milk.
Yes, and 4 bags. 4 please. I will also need 5 cakes. 5, please.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, and also I will need 6 loaves of bread. 6, please.
Okay, sounds good.
I would like 7 bagels. 7. I would like 8 packets of cream cheese.
Will you need napkins?
Yes, thank you. I would like 9 napkins. 9 please.
Would you like any utensils?
Good idea. I would like 10 sets of utensils. 10.
Thanks you so much, sir. It will be ready in 5 minutes.
Thank you so much. You have been so helpful.